Have recovery. We have to break this thing apart at altitude. We have to get our parachute, and we want to record the event. These guys work tirelessly trying to get this together. We ran into a couple of technical glitches yesterday. They put their heads together, solved the problem, and that's why the rocket is sitting on the pad. So let's thank these guys for their electronic prowess. Parachutes. We have to be able to bring this rocket back down. A lot of people say, well, you're going to reuse it again. Absolutely. The only thing that we're not going to reuse is the propellant. The rest of the rocket should come down in good shape. And the folks that donated parachutes were Dan Michaels, Tim Wilsey, Ben Russell, and I threw a couple in there, but I won't take credit for them until it's back on the ground. They each donated a parachute. So thank you, guys. In order to have something that the rocket can sit on this tower, we needed to secure the steel, and we needed to get this tower erected and rigged up. I want to thank Fred Schumacher for that. He headed up that part. Southern, Fred Wallace, Jim Parks, and Peter and Ben Abrash. Want to thank all you folks for setting this thing up. I probably left out a few names, and if I did, you know who you are. I want to thank Tim Gagnon, who is an artist that does flight patches for NASA. He stepped up and he made the Stevie's patch. So if you have purchased one of those patches...
In my life, timing's off. I missed something by 2 or 3 days, or it was last week or something like that. But quite a ways into the project, I realized that the planned end date on this project was going to coincide with our 40th anniversary. It wasn't designed that originally, but it sure ended up that way. So that's what we're dubbing this flight as. Until you stood in front of a Saturn V rocket, I don't know how many people here have, the courage that it took for those guys to climb on top of that rocket is just amazing. This thing looks like a little Estes rocket sitting on the ground compared to sitting next to the real one. And I can't imagine what it would have been like to sit on that waiting for somebody to push the button. I'm nervous about pushing the button, but can you imagine sitting on top of one like this? So anyhow, thank you to everybody. Thank you to MDRA. We kind of went through that already. One thing I would like to pull a couple seconds of silence. Men that have had the courage to sit on these rockets have lost their lives. I'd like to give about 15 seconds of silence for those people. What we have today in this world, we live with our computers and all the things that are necessities to us in life. A lot of that started from these men that went above and beyond. And we lost some in the process, so let's give a couple seconds of silence, please.
Today, something like this could never happen, so if you could all face the flag, right over there. And we'll play the national anthem here. That's not the national anthem. We're probably about 45 minutes to an hour away from launching this. We have some crucial things that we still have to do with the rocket, and we're going to need some breathing room to do that. We appreciate everybody coming out here today. Please buy some Steve's Eats commemorative t-shirts. See the Roadkill Cafe, Tommy Higgs, that's cooking for you down there. And we are broadcasting on 88.9 FM. That will be up and operational probably in about 20 minutes, so you can put your car radio on and listen to the launch announcements as we're getting close. We're going to let everybody know, so there's no question what's going on. There are folks that are in bright yellow, fluorescent green, yellow vest. They're crowd control. Please listen to them. This is all about safety. We want everybody to go home with all these digits and extremities. So with that, we appreciate everybody coming out. And one other thing, we are on private property, so please don't leave any trash behind. What you take in, please take out with you. Treat it like it's your own. And once again, we thank you. You have vehicles out here. You're going to have to move them back.
Нормална ракета. Пак е големичка.
These are all like, they taper the foils and everything. I don't know what this is for. That's probably just the antenna, right? Because they've all got electronics, galore that we didn't used to have.
You can't stay out here. That's not a problem. But if you're not directly associated with the project or official media.
Събрали сме се, чакаме. Аз това е Джеф, колега. Отзаде жена му и детето му. Това е Джош, друг колега. И родителите му. Сме се наредили тук, гледаме ракетата.
It's always cracked me about those little rockets. Just how fast it is.
Because they go really fast. They're really small.
Seconds out from the launch of Stevie's world record attempt. 10 steel set in